Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Today's video, it's a little bit more in-depth on how to set up virtual backgrounds with a green screen for Zoom meetings, for vlogs, for Facebook Live, even if you're going to do a dual screen interview, all that stuff. We're going to get right into it. So I'm sitting in front of a green screen right now, and as you can see, you can do tons of different things with it. Got a bookshelf, right? All these different things, very, very flexible, and I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing, and we'll get right into it. Alright, so the first thing is, where is the functionality in Zoom? If you go here, next to your video, see I've turned off my video, I've turned it back on, you choose this little up arrow and it says choose a virtual background. When you choose a virtual background, you can go in here and choose different backgrounds that are available to use, but you have to make sure that that option is available. If that option is not available, this is where you want to go next. You want to log into your Zoom account, and you see My Profile and Meeting Settings. You want to click Meeting Settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down, Meeting Basics, keep going, keep going, keep going, Advanced, and you see here, choose Virtual Background. So then sometimes if you don't see it yet, you have to exit out of your Zoom meeting window and then log out and restart it, and then the option for Virtual Background should be there. Now let's talk about some of the technical things with choosing a virtual background. Is that I'll just show you my default option. So this is without a virtual background, and I want to show you a couple things here. The first thing is I'm using a pop-up green screen, and I'm using also a Logitech C920 camera. Alright, so the pop-up green screen is this one that I use here, 5x7 collapsible pop-up green screen. Here's the reason why I like this one. There's no wrinkles. It has a metal frame, so when you open it up, and then I use binder clips and some ratchet straps to get it going. Right. Oop. Just very simple. I got drop ceiling in my house, so very easy to set up. Alright, here's the next thing with that. Let me close that down. I'll have links to all these items in the description. Here's the other thing is if you're in your home office, if you have a pretty good setup and you have a flat wall behind you, then you can go with a green screen paint. You know, I don't think you have to use Chromakey green. You could go and just buy some paint from Home Depot, roll some paint in the wall behind you. Again, the other thing that's very, very important with everything related is lighting. So as you can see here, I have this lighting. I know it's a little bit bright, but this is the ring light, and I have it clipped behind my monitor, and it's great, and it really works awesome. Here's some of the functionality. You can go brighter. As you can see, that's a little bit too bright. You can also change the color temperature. This is a little bit cold. This is why I don't like it. I like a little bit of the warmer temperature. And so $18.99, really simple, plugs into a USB source. Again, I'll have links to my Amazon affiliate links in the video description. And then last but not least, audio. Your webcam, the C920, has a microphone, but it's just not that great, right? So I have the blue snowball mic with the pop filter. It's this exact model. I have it clamped away from the monitor, and when you have it set up correctly, you can have it outside of the camera view, but still it's picking up very good audio quality. So these are some really nice finds that you can pick up from Amazon. So now we got your green screen set up behind you. We have your lighting set up, and you're gonna go here again, choose virtual background, and you're like, oh, where do I get all these different images and things from, right? Oh yeah, so I did want to show you this one feature. See, pick the color. If you choose a different color of paint, you can just pick that, and so it doesn't have to be exact, right? So, well, you should have a nice green color, and then don't wear any green clothing because it will be blocked out. So, alright, so we got that. So where do I go to create my virtual backgrounds? I use Canva. Very, very simple. Create a design, what kind of design do you want to do, and then I choose wallpaper. And then I just go here, wallpaper, desktop wallpaper, boom. And Canva has a lot of royalty-free photos. So let's just say you want to have mountains in the background. Let's go to Elements, Photos, and then type the word mountains. And as you can see, free photo of the mountains. You can create that, put that in. You can add text or different things like that, or you can just have the mountains. Another great place is Pixabay. If you're not familiar with it, awesome site for free images and videos as well. So I'd highly recommend those. But Canva is awesome for making custom wallpaper. You got your green screen, you have your lighting, you got your microphone set up, and now you're ready to go in terms of having a really nice setup with virtual background. A lot of branding. Obviously, you know, when I'm doing my insurance work, you can have your social media handles and everything like that. So everybody else might be signed into a Zoom meeting, but you're going to have your branding directly behind you. So really, really nice to have that set up. So.